Hey guys, I hope you're well. I'm going to make this a very quick video and explain something to you. When I started getting sick, and I mean mostly mentally, but also sicker physically, I started taking my head meds, and it helped tremendously, so tremendously that it zombified me, and that began the dosage adjustment phase, right? Oh man. Oh man, I gotta clear my throat. Hang on. Right. So I've been getting, I'm much better these days, but I had a problem growing. Here, let's stand up and give you something else to look at. The problem I had growing the year and a half while I was getting sicker and sicker than trying to adjust the meds, the growing problem was my email account. It got out of hand, man. That email account that's listed with QRZ, that's used for everything you can imagine, right? All the crap in life that we need an email account for, man. You guys emailed me, and I'd forget to check the account frequently enough. And, because of my troubles here, man. And by the time I did check the account, I'm gonna open back door. Hang on. Okay. And by the time I did check the account, anything that you guys might have sent me was long since buried. And I disconnected emotionally and mentally from that account. I couldn't deal with it. I didn't want to deal with it. It was a nightmare. And today, I finally got to the account and started cleaning it up. I cleaned out all the crap, and man, guys, I felt terrible. I found about a dozen emails that I should have responded to immediately. I apologize. I'm very, very sorry. I take responsibility for that, but I hope you can understand why or how I could have let that happen. And dang, man. So I only read, and I tried to respond to one. What was the account name? Why are we doing this? Yes, sir. Your account rejected my email, but yeah, right? Thank you for your help with the Scott. I really appreciate that, man. So guys, the purpose for this video it's a twofold video. The purpose is twofold. I'm sorry for clearing my throat. I wanted to explain things. And I wanted to tell you, since that email account, the volume of business and garbage crap going to that account will it'll never become less, only worse as I wander through life. I've got another Gmail account that I created 4 years ago, maybe. And I used it one time. I had one email in the inbox. One reply in the outbox. I'm now going to use that email for all YouTube and ham radio communications. If I can, I'll change my QRZ page to reflect it. I don't know if QRZ is taking that info from the FCC's ULS system. If it is, and I'm not even going to bother with all that. Why? What would be the point when they don't plan to renew my ticket? So, I might miss saying that someday. It's kind of fun. It's become my shtick. So, right. Okay, back to the topic at hand. At hand. I'm going to use the following email address for all YouTube and ham radio communication. This is the email address. I'm going to be mentioning it frequently in my videos. And yeah, guys, if you ever emailed me asking for a spreadsheet, a copy of my spreadsheets, I'll attempt to send you a copy of them to the email that I discovered today. Oh, I'm such a loser. And, but anyone that wants them, anybody that wants to email me for any other reason, you want to tell me what a jackass I am, that's fine. Just do it in a kind way. We can be dicks without being assholes, I like to think. Oh, how he does hate Daddy making a video. Blitzy, we gotta make a movie because I've done the boys a great disservice. Yes. We gotta make things right, Blitzy. When we fuck up, we gotta make things right. It's my opportunity to act like I have a child in my family again. When truly I think I'm the child. Hey, we're going to go out and look at the Michigan cacti. I've had an erection here in the middle of my backyard, boys. I got tired of the bamboo stick for 10 meters. Put the cacti back up. What a contraption. Yeah, I would call it a piece of shit if it weren't the fact that the damn thing works so god dang good. What does that look on an angle? Oh man. Oh man. I screwed it all back onto the post, and it took me 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Went in, checked, did a band sweep. It was almost dead nuts. Came out here, did a tweak. Took about 3 or 4 minutes to tweak the wires. Took about 5 minutes or less. 3 minutes, less, 2 minutes. Tweak. Check the band sweep. It's like, whoa, almost perfect. One more trip out to the yard. 3, 4 minutes. Band sweep. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Grab the MFJ analyzer. Dead nuts on. Right where I wanted the 4 bands. The email address I'm going to be using from now on, I'm not going to do a text overlay on the screen. I'm going to orate it. And I'll put it in the comments below. Okay, you ready? Kershey Chuck. I spell out KIRSHYCHUCK. KersheyChuck@gmail.com. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching. I'm sorry, man, for all the emails that I never responded to. I apologize. I beg your forgiveness, and I'll see you in another video. Well, probably in about 3 or 4 hours, because I've got something I've got to show you. Take care. 73 from Chuck and Blitzy. Oh, and Blozo. Bye now.